You need to bring your focus back and put it on the object and repeat until that mud in that water is settled, which are your thoughts in your head. Control your mind and you will control everything. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Without wasting any moment, let's dive into the video. Meditation is not easy, especially in the beginning. It's easier to watch Netflix and just chill. But will that take away your problems? Maybe for an hour or two, but then that monkey mind will again come back and haunt you and make scenarios about the future events which might not be happening. So to find a solution and to handle your problems in a better way, you need to get your ass on the ground. That's why in this video, I'm going to share two very important things that will take your meditation practice from 0 to 8 on a scale of 10. Find out a place where you can sit comfortably without getting disturbed. If you want to know more about the postures and all the basic details, you can check out my other videos. I'll put the links in the description. First, concentration. It is tough, but you have to force your mind to keep your attention on something. People use different objects, for example, a candle, maybe some mantras, or maybe your breath. I like to keep my focus on my breath because it's easily available, it's cheap, you don't need to go outside, and also everybody can relate to it. Concentration is a forced type of activity. You need to push yourself. You need to bring your focus back and put it on the object and repeat until that mud in that water is settled, which are your thoughts in your head. Let me know in the comments what is your biggest distraction when you meditate. Number 2, mindfulness. Mindfulness is your bare attention. Unlike concentration, mindfulness is a delicate function which is used to bring your focus back on the object. But concentration and mindfulness both go hand in hand. But the mindfulness is the manager. So whenever your focus goes away, your meditation won't be effective because it's the mindfulness which will bring that focus back on your concentration, on that object. Maybe it's your breath or it's a candle. If you're still here, guess what? I'm gonna give you a bonus tip. This will help you to maintain your concentration, or whenever your focus will go away, you can use this technique to bring your focus on that object. This is an amazing technique which I still use in my meditation practice. So, while meditating, you have to breathe in on a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and breathe out on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then again breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And repeat until your focus is back on your breath. This technique will help you to focus on something. If your focus will go away from your breath, you can start counting till 5 and 6 and then 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. And then repeat until you feel that your focus is back on your breath. So let's recall. There are two very important things which will help you to meditate like a monk. So first, concentration. Concentration is a forced type of activity. On the other hand, there's mindfulness, which is soft and delicate. So they both go hand in hand. So in your next practice, try these two things and I'm sure that your practice will be improved. As I said before, meditation is not easy in the beginning, but hang on tight, try for at least 7 days or maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, at least for some time. If it'll work for you, that's great. If not, there are so many other things which you can try. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It will help my videos to get some recognition in the YouTube world. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, that's a wrap. I will see you in my next video. By then, sending you love and light.